Unlock the secrets to maximizing your free Dropbox storage, even though unlimited is a clever marketing term. First things first, you need a Dropbox account if you don't have one. Head over to Dropbox.com and sign up for their free plan. It's quick, easy, and the foundation for all our storage-boosting strategies. Now, let's talk about the game-changer referrals. Dropbox generously rewards you for bringing new users into their ecosystem. Navigate to your account settings and find the Refer a Friend section. You'll get a unique link that you can share with your friends, family, or colleagues. Every successful referral, meaning someone who signs up and installs Dropbox using your link, earns you extra storage space. The more people you refer, the more space you accumulate. Think of it as a digital snowball effect for your files. As you start accumulating this free space, good organization becomes key. Utilize folders effectively to keep your files tidy and easily accessible. This not only makes your Dropbox more user-friendly, but also helps you visually track your growing storage capacity. While we're focusing on free, remember that Dropbox's basic plans are quite affordable if you find yourself consistently needing more space. However, for maximizing the free offerings, stick to the referral program and conscious file management. By leveraging referrals and smart organization, you can significantly boost your free Dropbox storage and keep your important files safe and accessible. Happy filing!